the judge dismissed the case against Alec Baldwin. What happened? I was watching this. Oh my gosh. The prosecutor did not introduce something that should have been introduced into evidence, because something was introduced late in the trial, and when this person brought this evidence to the police station, it was logged under a different case number, so the prosecutor didn't check that it was there, didn't know it was there, and thus it was not turned over to the defense. And therefore it's a Brady violation for withholding evidence from the defense, even though this evidence had nothing to do with what he was charged with. The evidence had to do with the ammunition. Hannah Gutierrez was already charged for bringing a live round onto the set. Alec Baldwin was just charged with using a gun recklessly. That was his charge. So the evidence that wasn't shown, even whether it was an oversight or not, had nothing to do with what he was charged with, but it was still not giving the defense all of the evidence. And what was so interesting was a couple hours of this motion to dismiss were heard, and the prosecutor actually got on the defense stand and testified to the defense attorney and the judge and answer questions. It was wild, you guys. But Alec Baldwin, trial dismissed. He started crying. They were all crying. They were so relieved. But yeah, he did kill her. He was reckless, and I thought he should have gone to jail. I thought that the evidence that was withheld, quote unquote, had nothing to do with the case, but the judge was clearly annoyed with a lack of proper decorum in the court, and maybe she just wanted to set a lesson. I disagree with her decision. I'm sure, I'm not even a lawyer, but I still think that he should have had some kind of a sentence for the reckless use of the gun. But, you know, the prosecutor blew it. I don't know if it was intentional or subconsciously intentional, because she was going to teach him a lesson. But hey, that's what happened. So if you're a Baldwin fan, you can go out and celebrate.